What's up guys, welcome back to Tech 5. To get a list of the best budget gadgets technology has to offer, make sure to like and subscribe. Number 5. Xiaomi Poco F3. Xiaomi's Pocophone sub-brand became very prolific between 2020 and 2021, and the Poco F3 is part of the third generation of devices. The phone is a display and performance champion, making it great for streaming, gaming and scrolling through social media. With an extremely fast Snapdragon 870 chipset and an impeccable 120Hz AMOLED display, gamers and media fiends on a budget, in particular, will want to bump the Poco F3 to the top of their wish list. We simply can't think of a more capable phone for the money, not with such a responsive display and near flagship levels of performance, at any rate. Battery life is strong too, with the Poco F3 capable of standing up to a day of intensive usage. Meanwhile, the provision of a 33 watts fast charger is both more generous and more rapid than any current offering from Apple or Samsung. Number 4. Xiaomi 11t Pro. The Xiaomi 11t Pro is both a mid-range take on the Mi 11 and the year-on successor to the Mi 10t Pro, though it's worth noting that it was the first phone to lose the Mi branding previously used by the company. This is a great mid-range handset with a powerful chipset, good-looking screen, useful camera array and intuitive fingerprint scanner. If you like the look of the Mi 11, you'll find many of its features here, like the 5MP telemacro lens or plentiful camera modes. There were a few issues with the phone though. Its fingerprint sensor, quick to use, was a bit too high for some people to reach. The main problem we had was that it got hot really quickly, which reduced processing power. Overall, though, this is a great Xiaomi phone, and if you need a new mid-range handset, it's definitely worth checking out. Number 3. Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. If you're looking for the best phone from Xiaomi's sub-brand Redmi, the Note 10 Pro is that phone. It has top specs and a low price, making it a solid buy. The phone has a super high Res 108MP main camera, a big and bold 120Hz screen and a massive 5,020 mAh battery as cheap phones go, which is outstanding for its price. The Redmi Note 10 Pro has a large 120Hz OLED screen. Its Snapdragon 732G brings the goods for gaming, and the phone has some of the best speakers we've heard at the price. There's also a highly unusual and unusually good macro camera. Most budget phone macro cameras are barely worth using. This one is great for nature photography. Sure, there are a few things you miss out on with the Note 10 Pro. There's no 5G here mainly, but if you don't need that, the phone is all you need. Number 2. Xiaomi Poco X3 NFC. The Poco X3 NFC comes with a few features you might expect of a pricier Android handset, such as decent gaming performance thanks to its Snapdragon G series processor and a 120Hz screen, with excellent battery life sealing the deal. This is a great option for those on a budget. It's simply miles ahead. Even Realm, maker of some of 2020's best budget phones, doesn't have anything that can directly compete at launch. Excellent battery life and a nerd-pleasing 120Hz display panel top off the Poco X3 Sunday, and make this one of the best buys for techies. If you pick this device up, you're certainly getting more than you paid for, in the best possible way. Sure, there are some quirks. Not everyone will like the phone is really big, and the cameras don't match same price competitors. But this is still a worthy buy. That's the best budget phone right now. On our number 1. Xiaomi Mi 11. The Xiaomi Mi 11 is one of the best premium phones you should consider buying. As it's well spec'd in almost every department, it has super fast processing, a high screen resolution with extra display modes, and some camera modes and features the competition lacks. Showcasing new screen technologies and rear camera designs at a premium phone price tag. We gave the phone a glowing review, praising in particular its macro photography mode, its great looking screen with a high resolution and refresh rate, and the processing power provided by its top-end chipset. While this phone represents the best tech Xiaomi has right now, its cost might put some people off it. Despite that, if you're looking for a great smartphone from the company, it should be the first one you consider. Make sure to like and subscribe to Tech 5 for more videos. Bye for now.